So hello guys, we are here for an unboxing of a new drone. It's a pretty simple drone. I think it's like one of the smallest drones out there in the market right now. You can see that the arms are foldable. I think I purchased the white one, and there's a simple controller. To show you a little bit about the info. So we have a 6-axis gyro, 2.4 GHz frequency, 360 flips, 3 speed rates, altitude hold optional, and folded up arms. 14 plus of age. So this also has an app for Android or iOS. So you can use it for both Androids and for iPhones. The drone's name is S9. So let's open it up and see what it has to bring us. Open it here. Open it here. And here you have it. Looks pretty good. Now, pop the controller out. Nice. It's pretty tiny, but it feels smooth and everything. Got some buttons and probably that's IR or something. And then we have the little drone. And to fold it out, you just take the arms and just pull them out. So they're like little hacks. Ding, ding, ding. And then they stop at their last angle. The ding, 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 ding. Look at this, guys. It's so small. Compare it to a lighter. So this is a lighter that you can have in your pocket, and this is a drone that you can have in your pocket. That is amazing. So let's see what's more in the box. I have some security for the propellers, 2 of those. We got a little bag with a charger, some extra propellers, and a screwdriver. Actually, we got a screwdriver, folks, and a user's guide for drones, Wi-Fi app download. This is my first drone that I ever bought. I bought one for my friend one time, but not for me. I didn't even try it. This is going to be fun. These are the instructions on how you're gonna do it, so let's just throw them away. No, because drones are pretty hard to manage the first time, so I'm gonna read it thoroughly. And then we're gonna have it a go and try see what happens. Sorry, this is just for film, so I'm just lying. Yes, I'm really lying. This is just for film, so I already charged it, so you guys can see it. So, there we have it. Charged up and ready. So we're gonna take the controller and we're gonna put this one on first, I think. That's starting to blink. When it starts to blink slowly, this is ready for connection. Then you just do like this. It's supposed to connect. You can see the lights are fully on. So let's try to see if it can fly a little bit. Whoa, that's not really what I was going for. So maybe it's not really tuned in. It's really not tuned in. So I think we're gonna have to tune it in first. Okay, so it really just wants to go like wherever it wants to go. It's really hard to get it like to fly even. And this is my first drone, so I'm not really good driver. But at least I'm trying. Yeah, it can fly. That's pretty amazing, I think. Yes, I think I'm gonna learn this one. Maybe we even can buy another drone, a bigger drone. This wasn't like the longest film or something, but still. Got a little review of it. So it's really tiny. You can fold the arms, you can charge it up by using a USB cable. A little lamp in the front. And I think you can buy this one with a camera also as well. This one didn't have a camera. But yeah, it's cool with all lights. So yeah, I'm gonna show you just a picture quick with the lights off. So you can see all the lights and how it looks. And then I'll see you in the next one. I don't know really what happened, but thank you for watching.